Fresh stone fruit arrives under controlled logistics for processing.
Each lot is weighed to confirm delivery quantity and traceability.
Lot codes link raw fruit to quality and safety records.
Fruit is held until quality approval is completed. Inspectors verify bricks, pH, temperature, and defects.
Controlled transport feeds fruit to the wet processing area.
Crates are separated for continuous feeding.
Fruit is gently discharged to prevent damage. Loose field debris is removed before washing.
Air agitation enhances cleaning without damaging fruit.
Fresh water spray removes remaining residues.
Approved sanitizer reduces microbial load to specification. Final rinse removes sanitizer residues before inspection.
Excess wash water is removed before inspection.
Controlled vibration completes dewatering. Operators remove visibly defective fruit. Optical systems detect color and defect variations. Rejected fruit is segregated from the main line. Accepted fruit advances to preparation steps. Fruit is oriented for accurate stone removal. Stones are extracted. Controlled feeding ensures uniform grinding. Size reduction releases juice and pulp. Ash is transferred hygienically for separation.
Pulper separates edible pulp from fibrous material.
Screens refine pulp consistency.
Finishing improves texture and removes fine solids.
Fine screens ensure uniform puree quality. Pumice is diverted for byproduct processing. Moisture is reduced before drying. Buffering stabilizes flow before heat treatment.
Controlled drying stabilizes pomace for milling.
To final screening. Fine particles are removed to protect heat exchangers. Air removal improves color stability and heat transfer. Parameters are adjusted to specification. Controlled heating begins microbial inactivation. Holding time ensures food safety compliance. Before contact. Puree is filled under aseptic conditions. Seals are formed to maintain sterility. Vision systems verify seal quality. Net weight is checked against specification.
Each unit is marked for full traceability.
Filled liners are protected in outer boxes. Finished units move to final inspection. Systems verify box condition and closure. Non-conforming packages are removed. Automated palletizing ensures stable loads.
Wrapped pallets are stabilized for transport.
Finished product enters controlled storage. Pallets are stored under hygienic conditions. Storage conditions are continuously monitored.
Pallets are selected according to shipment orders. Product is staged for outbound logistics.
Final checks confirm identity and documentation. Loading area is prepared under controlled conditions.
Pallets are loaded safely for transport. Loads are secured to prevent movement.
Shipment is sealed for delivery.
Large solids are removed from process wastewater.
Fine solids are separated by flotation. Microorganisms reduce organic load.
Sludge volume is reduced for disposal. Discharge is monitored to meet regulations.
Shipment records are finalized for traceability.
The line is prepared for cleaning after production. Automated cleaning removes residues from equipment.
Cleaning effluent is sent to treatment.
Rinse conductivity confirms removal of cleaning agents.
Visual checks confirm sanitation effectiveness. QA releases equipment for next production.
Clean equipment is protected until next use. Treatment residues are removed for disposal. Cleaning systems are reset for the next run.
Production and CCP data are reviewed and archived.
Raw material areas are cleaned after use.
Solid wastes are removed from the facility.
Packaging is stored under controlled conditions.
The next production cycle is scheduled.
The plant remains operational and ready.
Aseptic equipment remains sealed between productions.
Tanks are confirmed empty before shutdown. Equipment is secured after processing. Raw areas are reset for the next intake. All systems report ready for future operation. Product transfer equipment is safely shut down. Valves are closed to isolate the process line. Sterile air maintains aseptic conditions.
Systems shift to standby after production.
Aseptic holding conditions are formally reviewed. Sterile interfaces are protected between runs.
Filling equipment is sealed after sanitation.
Inventory remains under controlled storage.
All scheduled shipments are completed.
Aseptic zones remain sealed until the next production run. Dispatch areas are cleared after shipment.
The facility is reset and ready.
The batch is formally closed.
Production flow is complete.